So, if you can see the moon there, the light, let's get it focused, the light is shining on this side. So that's where we can see the moon at. The reason being is because the sun is right there. So we've got the sun shining, and then we have the moon also shining where the sun is located. And the dark side of the moon is where the sun is not located. So again, the sun is shining, and the moon is also shining where the sun is shining and located. It is shining on that same side. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm.